Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Sign into Kahoot and pick the quiz you want to share, because choosing the correct Kahoot avoids confusion later. Once selected, click play so you can decide the delivery mode, teach for live sessions, assign for self-paced work. Make this choice now. Live gives a game PIN and lobby link. Assign produces a join link you can copy and send. Doing this first saves time and ensures students will join the right activity without linking errors. Now grab the actual link or code you'll share. If you chose Teach, open the lobby and copy the lobby link or use the game PIN. Links let remote students join directly, while PINs work for classroom devices. If you chose Assign, configure settings like due date and visibility, then generate the student link. Once generated, click Copy Link or Share to place it on your clipboard. This step is key because it prevents pasting the wrong URL. Finish by pasting the copied link into your chosen channel, LMS, email, chat, or simply display it on the screen. This ensures every student can access it immediately. Tell students to click the link or go to Kahoot. And enter the PIN and remind them to join before you start. If anything goes wrong, try refreshing the link, checking Kahoot permissions, or have students clear browser cache and retry. Those fixes resolve most connectivity or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.